This is a crypto next generation file. It's a system key used by Windows for encryption. If you find this, leave it alone. Deleting it can lock you out of your data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain its function. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional CNG file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. The CNG file extension is associated with Crypto Next Gen, a cryptographic API developed by Microsoft. While the extension itself doesn't represent a specific file type, it often indicates a file that has been encrypted or is related to cryptographic operations using the CNG API. These files may contain encrypted data, keys, or other security-related information. Files with the .cng extension are not inherently defined by a specific structure. The format and content depend on the application or process that utilizes the Crypto Next Gen API for encryption or other cryptographic functions. The CNG API provides a set of functions for key management, encryption, and digital signatures. The native handler for CNG files is usually Crypto Next Gen API from Microsoft. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows cannot interpret ciphered information, so proper viewing depends on decryption utilities. We need a test for compatibility. Right-click your CNG file and choose Open With. If you have Crypto Next Gen API, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If your CNG file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, use text editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad++ to view the content, as it is usually a plain text configuration file. Next, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. Cygwin, a network utility, and open the file from within that application. Finally, verify syntax. If a configuration file, check the file for syntax errors, e.g. incorrect pathing, expected by the associated program. If those CNG compatibility checks failed, it is often because this specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn CNG formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your CNG file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.